Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I'm going to take English literature class for class 3. Our today's topic is Unit 10 reading done and word meaning and make sentence from this unit. This is lecture number 9 and homework number 9 will be given today. Okay dear students, let's look at Unit 10. This is on page number 112 and the title is Birbal's Khichdi. So let's read the story. The story starts from page number 112 in your buzzword book. Okay, so let's start reading. One cold winter day, Akbar and Birbal went for a walk along the lake. A thought came to Birbal. So one day, it was in winter and Akbar and Birbal was walking along a lake. Then Birbal had a thought. He said to the king, I think a man would do anything for money. So Birbal was thinking that a man would do anything for money and he told the king this thing. Akbar then touched the water in the lake with a finger. But he removed it quickly because it made him shiver with cold. So Akbar then touched the water of the lake with a finger. But he removed it quickly because the water was very cold and it made him shiver. Shiver means to shake or tremble because of cold. Akbar said, do you think a man would spend a whole night in this cold water for money? I don't think so. Then Akbar said that he doesn't think a man would spend a whole night in that cold water for money. Birbal replied, I'm sure I can find such a person. So Birbal said that he can find a person who will even spend a night in the cold water for money. Akbar then challenged Birbal to find someone to do the task. Akbar then challenged Birbal. Challenge means asking a person to do something difficult or dangerous. So Birbal was asked to do a difficult task by Akbar. And what was the task? He said he would reward the person with 1,000 gold coins. The task was to find someone who would do anything for money, like spending the whole night in the cold water. And the reward for such a person would be 1,000 gold coins. Birbal looked far and wide until he found a man who was so poor that he was ready to do anything for money. So Birbal looked far and wide, means he searched very well. And he searched until he found a man who was very poor and ready to do anything for money. The man stepped into the lake and guards were placed to watch over him. Look at the picture, you can see the man is shivering in the cold water and guards are keeping watch over him. So the man was there and the guards watched him. The next morning the guards took the man to Akbar. So the man was there for whole night and in the morning the guards took him to Akbar. Akbar asked him, did you spend the night in the lake? The man nodded. Yes, your honor, I did. Akbar then asked, my dear man, how did you manage to spend the whole night in the lake where the water is as cold as ice? So Akbar asked him that how he managed to do this thing. Look at the next page. There was a street lamp nearby. So the man said that there was a street lamp nearby. I kept my attention fixed on the lamp and away from the cold, the man replied. So the man said that he kept his attention fixed on the street lamp nearby. Akbar frowned. We can't give you a reward. You survived in the cold lake because the street lamp kept you warm. So hearing this, Akbar said that he will not give the reward to the man. He said that the man only survived because the street lamp kept him warm. Survived means managed to stay alive. The poor man went to Birbal for help. The next day, Birbal didn't go to court. So let's see what plan Birbal has to help the poor man. The king sent a messenger to his house to find out why. Messenger means a person who carries messages. So king sent a messenger to Birbal's house to find out why Birbal didn't go to court. The messenger came back and said that Birbal would come after his khichdi was cooked. So what is khichdi? It's a food item. It's a dish made of rice and dal. So Birbal told the messenger that he would come after his khichdi was cooked. The king waited for hours, but Birbal didn't come. Finally, the king went to Birbal's house to see what he was doing. He found Birbal sitting close to a fire. So Akbar saw that Birbal was sitting close to a fire. A pot of khichdi hung 5 feet above the fire. The king and his attendants laughed when they saw this. Attendants means helpers to the king. So everyone laughed when they saw a pot of khichdi 5 feet above the fire. Look at the picture. You can see here Birbal is sitting near the fire and the pot is hung 5 feet above the fire. It's very far from the fire. Akbar then asked Birbal, "How will the khichdi cook if it's so far away from the fire?" Birbal answered, "The same way the poor man kept warm from a street lamp which was far away." So Akbar understands that khichdi will not cook if it is so far away from the fire. And Birbal takes this chance to show him that the poor man couldn't have kept warm from a street lamp which was far away. The king realized his mistake and gave the poor man his reward. So Birbal was successful in making the king realizing that he had made a mistake in not giving the poor man the reward. So then he gave the poor man his reward. Okay dear students, this was the story. Next we will do word meaning and make sentence from this story. Number A, word meaning, shiver. Shiver means to shake or tremble because of cold. Number B, survived. Survived means managed to stay alive. Number C, messenger. Messenger means a person who carries messages. You will need to learn these 3 word meanings from this chapter. And be careful about word meaning writing rules. You will start word meanings with small letter and you will not use any punctuation marks at the end. Okay dear students, let's look at the make sentence from this unit. Number A, reward. Sentence with reward is, the king gave the poor man his reward. Look here, you're making sentences here, so here you should start capitalization and full stop. You should properly capitalize and proper use of punctuation should be done here. Number B, challenged. Akbar challenged Birbal to complete the task. Number C, attention. Students should pay attention to the class. Okay dear students, these word meanings and make sentence are for you to learn from unit 10. Your next homework number 9 will be the word meaning from unit 10. Okay dear students, please read the story again and do your homework carefully and submit it on due time on Saturday. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.